So in this presentation we are going to see how the slice operator works on lists. So let us see how the slice operator works. So we have a list called as t, which has a set of characters specified like a, b, c, d, e and f. At index value 0 we have a, at 1 we have b, at 2 you have c, 3 you have D, at 4 you have E, and at 5 you have F. So if I want to access only a particular elements within that particular range of index values that I have specified, I am just selecting those elements inside the list and I am printing. So here is one example. So just I have copied it, okay, and I paste it here. Okay, fine, I execute this line, and then when I copy this particular line and print it here, now what will happen? What is the starting range here? You can see it is 1, so 0 is represented by A. Now at 1 we have B, so the first character that will be printed or sliced will be B, and then it ends at 3. So 3 is the ending point. So it will start from 1, 2, and it should not print the third character. It will stop at 3. It is saying that stop at 3. So 1 and 2. So it will print B and C. It will not print D here. So once I execute this statement, you can see here it is printing B and C. Fine. Similarly, if I use this statement here again, instead of 3 I write it as 4 and I print. Now what it will do, it will print B, C and D. So it should stop after printing the 3 elements within the given range, that is from 1 to 4. So starting range it will be considered, the ending range before 4, which is the element that is coming, the third element that will be printed. Okay, so this is what it is. If you omit the first index, suppose if I don't write the first index itself, here I have written the first index as 1 and the last index as 4. So if you omit the first index, the slides starts at the beginning. So if I execute this particular code, okay, now if I execute this particular code, what will happen? Okay, here you can see that there is no starting index specified, so obviously it will start from A, B, C, D. Okay, so you can see here it will print set A, B, C and D. Getting my point? So if you do not specify the first index, the slice starts from the beginning of the list, so it will print from A, B, C, D, E. Fine, let me clear this. Once again I will take this and I will print it here so that you will be able to understand. Now if you omit the second value, the index value, the slice goes to the end. So if I omit the first index value, it will start calculating from the first list value, and if I omit the second index value, it goes at the, and then it will print all the elements till, so from third onwards, 0, 1, 2, 3, D, E and F. So it will print it as D, E, F. So here what you can see is that if I am missing the first index value, it will start from the beginning of the list and it will print it till the last specified range. And if I omit the second index value, it will start from the beginning index value, but it will print the last element that we have present. Suppose if you omit both, the slice is a copy of the whole list. So if you omit both the slice, it is a copy of the whole list. So let me demonstrate this particular part. Okay, so So I have not specified neither the starting index value or the end index value, or that is the first and the second index value is not present. So what it will print? So neither the starting index is specified nor the end index is specified. So it will print all the elements that are present inside the list. Getting? So here the next part what you can say is a slice operator on the left side of an assignment can update multiple elements. So it can be used for updating multiple elements. So let me, okay, A B C D E F, okay, it is already printed. Now when I perform this particular operation, okay, now what will happen? Just see it. So 1 to 3, so 1 to 3, what is that? A either 0 1 1 2, so B and C will be replaced by the value x and y. So here you can see from 1 to 3, so 1 to 3 it is 1 and 2. So what is stored at index value 1? B, and index value 2 it is C. So this B and C will be replaced by value x and y. The new elements that will be stored inside the list T is x and y, which will, x will be replacing the element B and y will be replacing the element x. So slice operator on the left side of an assignment can update multiple elements. So here you can see I will execute this line, and then once I copy this and I will print it. Now let me see what will be the output. So here previously you can see it was A, B, C, D, E and F. Now after executing this particular line, what has happened? The slice operator has updated the multiple values that are falling in the range from 1 to 3, that is 1 and 2. So what is that? B is replaced by X and Y, C is replaced by Y. So this is how your slice operator works with respect to list. So thank you for watching this presentation. Hope you have understood how the slice operator works on lists.